Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about soil as a resources. You know, soil as a resources. This topic is very important for CBSE class 10 standard. In this section, we will discuss about definition of soil, soil profile, soil forming factors, classifications of soils. At first, definition of soils. Soil is a thin layer or top layer on the earth which helps growth of plants and which has humus components, that is called soils. Yes. Example of soils like black soil, alluvial soils, red soils, desert soils, etc. When we discuss about definitions of soil, we can explain about what is the definition of soil. Soil is definitions of soils. Soil is a layer, a top layer, or which is located in the top portions of the earth surface, and which has different type of components like rocks, sands, etc., and which had humus components and which can grow plants. That is called soil. Next is soil profile. What is the meaning of soil profile? Soil profile means horizon of soils. Or if uh, we discuss about what is the soil profile, that is means vertical layering of the soils. Yes, like in this figure, soil profile. If we cross section or cut vertically soil, we will find different type of layers. That is called soil profile. In different type of layers, also known as different name. Most famous uh, geographer, soil geographer, especially Russian geographer, name is Dokuchev, who mentioned about different type of soil profile. According to him, or meaning of the soil profiles or horizon of soil, there are mainly four layers: A, B, C, D. A, that means top soil, B means subsoil, C means parent rocks, and D means bed rocks. Topsoils layer also known as alluvial soils, and second topmost soil is alluvial soils. Topmost soils is very fertile, and top in this layer many types of plants are grow. This is the meaning of soil profile. Then we will go to soil forming factors. Soil forming factors. Soil is a natural resources, and uh, it will require long geological time, long time to formations in uh, uh, thickness, small thickness of soil. It is required long geological time, but not time. Time is not a most important. Not is not a soil forming factors. Only one factors. It has different type of soil forming factors. These soil forming this type of different type of soil factors are like relief, parent rocks, climate, vegetations, and time. These are the major important soil forming factors which help to form the soil. Any soil formed by this type of natural agents. I repeat again, different type of soil forming factors are bed rocks or parent rocks, relief, time, natural vegetations which provide humus, animal components also, decomposers also, and time period. These are the most important and major soil forming factors. Yes. Next, Classifications of soils or types of soils. India, a large country, there are different type of climatic conditions. There are different type of relief conditions. Yes, different type of uh, rainfall receiving areas. In this purpose or in this regions, Indian soils also India has different type or India soils we can classify mainly six groups. Types of major soils mainly we can classify: number one, alluvial soils; number two, black soils; number three, red and yellow soils; number four, laterite soils; number five, arid soils or desert soils; and number six, forest soils. Next, alluvial soils. Alluvial soils, most important soils, uh, which is found mainly in Uttar Pradesh, northern part of India, Bihar, West Bengal, and some narrow part of Gujarat also. Alluvial swells formed nearby perennial river or northern river river groups where located rivers like Indus, Brahmaputra, and Ganga river. Alluvial swells also found in deltic region of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri. Sorry. In this picture, in this diagram, we have this mentioned here: Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Mahanadi, Godavari, the Krishna, the Kaveri, deltic region of Indian rivers. Also, in this region, alluvial soils are available. Alluvial soils, main features of alluvial soils. Alluvial soils are very fertile. Alluvial soils found in the northern part of India. Alluvial soils are very fertile. In this region, it is suitable for different type of crops grows like paddy, sugarcane, wheat, pulses, etc. Alluvial soils has adequate capacity of moisture holding capacity. Next, alluvial soils also we can classify mainly two types: old alluvial soils, that is also known as Bhangar, and new alluvial soils, that is also known as Khadar. Khadar is best soils and it is very fertile than Bhangar, and it is fine particles than Bhangar. Alluvial soils are very suitable for different type of crop grows. Second is black soil. Black soils also very important soils of India, mainly found in the Deccan Plateau or Deccan Plain. It is suitable for crop growth that is called black cotton crops grows. That's why this soil is also known as black cotton soils, and black soils also known as regur soils. Black soils suitable for cotton producing, sugarcane, and different type of horticulture crops, etc. mainly found in state-wise Maharashtra, Madhya part of Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and some part of Karnataka. Basalt rock are the main uh, forming factors or basalt regions. In the basalt region, black soils are formed. Black soils have very fertile. This soils is very fertile soils. That is the very important. But it has lack of phosphorus. In this region, during dry season, crack are appear in these soils. Next is red and yellow soils. Red and yellow soils formed in India. Mainly reason is where very rainfall are not happening, or not rainfall or low rainfall and heavy temperature. Mainly part of different part of India, mainly nearby Deccan Plateau, nearby outer part of Deccan Plateau. Yes, mainly Odisha, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. These part of in this region, red and yellow soils are available. Color is red and reddish and yellow and grey also. These soils are not very fertile. After adequate irrigation system or adding manure or fertilizer, it is helpful different type of crops grow. Yes. Next is laterite soil. Another important soils is laterite soils. Later is a Latin words that means bricks. Uh, red like bricks color also be in this soils color is like brick color. Yes, laterite soils are not very fertile soils in the world where heavy rainfall and high temperature. Laterite soils form, and due to leaching process, laterite soils are not very fertile soils. After adding manure fertilizer, it will be helpful and very suitable for tea and coffee growing. In India, laterite soils mainly found in Karnataka, mainly Bababudar Hills, Piedmont zone of Western Ghats, yes, some part of Meghalaya, yes. In this region, laterite soils are found. Next is arid soils. Arid soils and desert soils mainly found in northwestern part of India, mainly Rajasthan. It is very silty or sandy, mainly sandy soils. Also this soils also known as sandy soils, and it also not very fertile soils. After adding irrigation system, it is suitable for different type of vegetables growing and different type of like cucumber, watermelon also produce are very suitable for suitable for desert soils are very suitable for this type of crops growing. Yes, and it is also different type of millets growing of millets also is suitable for desert or arid soils. And arid soils mainly in arid soils regions some xerophytic plants grows. Next is at last forest soils. Forest soils and mountainous soils mainly found in the northern part of India, Himalayan mountain regions and hilly region, mainly Piedmont and mainly hilly region, Himalaya, Meghalaya region and northeastern part of India. In these soils are also known as forest soils. These are the major types of soils and classifications of soils in India. Yes, in this map we also discuss about where different type of soils are found. Mainly alluvial soils, northern part of India, river bank of Indus, Brahmaputra, mainly Assam region, and Ganga, mainly Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and deltic region of Mahanadi, Godavari, the Krishna, the Kaveri, etc. Next is black soils. Black soils are mainly found in the Maharashtra Deccan Tract region and part of Madhya Pradesh, part of Gujarat, part of Telangana, and part of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Next, red and yellow soil. Red and yellow soils mainly found in Orissa, Nilgiri region, mainly Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, and Meghalaya. Next is laterite soils. Laterite soils also found in Karnataka, Meghalaya, Tamil Nadu, some part of Assam, etc. Arid soils mainly found in the third desert or Rajasthan and some part of western part of Madhya Pradesh and some part of Gujarat. In this region, mainly arid and desert soils are found. Next, forest soils are found mainly Malayan mountain regions in this region and high altitude area in this region mainly forest soils are found. These are the basic point in this chapter. Uh, if we want to summarize it, mainly soils as a resource,